eyes light up. They believe we are blissfully unaware. But this activity by non-human extraterrestrial technology is capturing the attention of humans.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna